Are you ready to buy Bitcoin but not sure where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin safely and easily using Cash App, even if it's your very first time. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the most important step that beginners often overlook. First, make sure you have funds in your Cash App account. Since you've already linked your bank account or debit card, just tap Add Cash on the home screen and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Once the money is in your Cash App balance, you're ready to go. Now look at the bottom of your home screen. You'll see the Bitcoin icon. Tap it, then press Buy Bitcoin. Next, enter how much Bitcoin you want to purchase. Cash App allows you to buy even a few dollars worth, so you don't need a huge budget to get started. After entering the amount, you'll be asked to choose an order type. For most beginners, one-time order is perfect. Once you select that, Cash App will display a breakdown of the transaction, including the current Bitcoin price, exchange rate, and any fees. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If it all looks good, tap Confirm. Congratulations. You just bought Bitcoin on Cash App. Your new BTC balance will appear right inside the app. And from here, you can hold it, sell it, or even send it to another wallet. Buying Bitcoin doesn't have to be complicated, and Cash App makes it simple with just a few taps. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, beginner-friendly crypto guides. And if you have questions about buying, selling, or transferring Bitcoin, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out.